we are going to plan in my Pressions planner with a pretty cute planner kit called Animal Prints. I just got this, love it, fantastic. So let's get started. I'm going to try to keep the video as short as possible, but knowing me, that ain't going to happen because it takes me a little bit. It really does. So the first thing I like to put down is my little washi strips, because why not? And then I like to put in my headers here. Let's start with this week. Usually my layout stays pretty much the same in my print pression. I even use these kits here in my B6 one. When I go back to it, it's a different style of planning and a different way to plan when planning in my B6 with the print pression kits, but it works. And they look good, and they fit, so they're kind of fun, honestly, really fun. So this is my planner that goes everywhere with me. The cover to it, my little brother made me for my birthday or Christmas, I can't remember which, several years ago, and I still use it to this day. And it is also my wallet, so, but it goes everywhere. Alright, there is that. Make flip. Flip it around, flip it around. I put my glitter headers on next. I wish there was one more for this one, but that's okay. I don't know, I'm just weird that way. I like them all to be glittery. Love this blue. Gosh, that's a pretty color. I like how it stands out against all the animal prints. So I go back to work this week. I have that part-time job here in town. It's like only 12 hours a week, but it gets me out of the house, and I work with some amazing people, so that always helps when you have like a really good company and crew that you work with, because it makes you just want to go to work every day. Start off with my meal plan. And then I put a habit tracker down here. Whoa, almost put that in the wrong spot, didn't I? So I take a shot every day. Every day. Okay, there's that. So that is my at a glance for this week. I always put my weekend banner in this box. pretty much what flows really good. Ooh, which ones do I want to use? I know I want to use this one with the blue because that blue is really pretty. But this one is more of a functional planner, so it has less of the decorative elements to it. And for some reason I can't talk when I'm laying down a sticker. That's weird. It's almost like when you're putting on mascara. Gotta hold the mouth right. Ooh. This is really pretty. I like these animal prints a lot. I just love this planner and these kits because they just go down like clockwork. Awesome. Just absolutely awesome. Okay. Get my checklist. She has amazing kits and they just flow so nicely and easily. I love it. We both have a busy weekend coming up, so I want to get that marked. The Planner Social sale is this weekend. It's the first inaugural sale. These are also from Pretty Cute Planner. And I got these to mark the days that I work. Oh, they're even cute in the decorative boxes. Almost put that in the wrong spot, didn't I? And my little foiled stickers because they're pretty. I love foiled stickers. I mean, pretty simple, basic layout, spread, weekly spread, but I love it because, like I said, her kits just work beautifully in the Print Pressions, and I have even used this kit in the D6 before, and it works just as good. And there's not much left to put away, which is nice. That's always nice. Oh yeah. Yeah. Friday, St. Patrick's Day. And my dates. Let's see here. There's this one. I pulled out all the green that I had. I don't have much green. I think I'm going to use this box from Tilly B on one of her little samplers. I'm going to put it right in here. And then, of course, this foiled Lucky from Pretty Cute Planner. I just think that yellow just makes that pop a little bit more. And then these are from another one of her kits, but they're foiled and they're green and they're yummy. Well, they're kind of a rainbowy green. So let's see, Monday's the 13th. I done had that mess up once today. I thought it was the 15th. Wrong. Here we go. Sometimes it just needs a little bit of, come on, gotta talk to it. Just gotta get it to pop up. 14, 15. Yeah, I started my week off in my other planner. Monday is the 15th, and I was like, the sale is like Friday. That's the 17th. Why is this wrong? Because I wasn't paying attention. I was getting ahead of myself. And last one. Sometimes stickers don't want to release from the backing, so just gotta kind of give it a little wiggle. Okay, there is that. Get out this. Sunday is always planning. Actually, I've been doing it on Saturdays lately, so, but Sunday is my PR post. And then I share to Facebook and Instagram. And a Pinterest. And then I know she has new releases that will be up on the 16th. So we will put that down here on the 16th. And then Monday is trash day. Oops. And it's also laundry day, or bedding, I should say. And then Wednesday is payday. Gotta love them paydays. And 17 is the sale day. Wednesday is also Wow Wednesday with Crafty Past Creations. It's like every other Wednesday. And let's see. I think that is it. Oh, no, it's not. Monday is also a weigh-in day. What did I do with the... every Monday. So there's that. I'm canning tomorrow. If I don't get it done, then I'll finish it here. I think that's it. Oh, no. And this is for the 16th. Always have one due that day. For some reason, I can never seem to get them all at the same time. And I think that's it. I have mail coming Tuesday. I have mail coming Wednesday. Friday. And I do believe I have a package coming on Monday. I do believe. I'm almost 100% positive. Almost. Put my little pennies out because she's just too cute. Gotta put her out. And hold that thought. I got a new character to use. Tilly. She is so darling. We're just gonna put her down here because she's just too cute. Too cute not to. And there it is. That is my layout for this coming week in my PP weeks. And I'm loving it.